everyone. Welcome back to Be Creative Studio. I am very excited to share with you today a Christmas Advent calendar craft with these awesome Dollar Tree triangle boxes. I know we're only in September, but these boxes are currently at the Dollar Tree and they're perfect for this project. So pick them up now if you're interested in making this craft later. I was really impressed when I found these at my local Dollar Tree. These triangle boxes are quite solid and a really good size. You could change the look of them by simply changing the lining inside. For this project, you will need 4 of these Dollar Tree triangle boxes. They cost $1 each. You'll also need cardboard toilet paper or paper towel rolls, 2 packs of foil garland from the Dollar Tree. You'll also want to get various holiday paper to line the triangle boxes, decorate the silver discs, and cover the TP rolls. I usually get my papers at Joann's when they go on sale. The idea is that the cardboard toilet paper rolls will be used as our cubbies. The silver discs will be our covers. I will leave various dimension details in the description box below. There's a lot to do, so let's get started on our Advent calendar. I thought these holiday sloths would be really festive for lining the triangle. I first traced the outline of one triangle. To get the correct dimensions for inside the box, I measured the width of the border edge, which is 1/4 inch. I then measured 1/4 inch in from the outline I just traced. This should give me the correct dimensions of the triangle inside. Let's see if it fits. I go ahead and cut out liner papers for all 4 triangles. I've cut out liners for all 4 triangles. Time for gluing down the paper with a glue stick. Look at how these triangles are transformed into festive holiday decor. Time to glue all 4 triangles together to form the tree frame for our advent calendar. I am gluing the bottom 3 triangles first, using Dollar Tree wood glue to form the base of my tree. I wipe off excess glue as I go. To help hold the triangles together while the glue dried, I clamped them down with clothespins. While the tree frame is drying overnight, I am preparing to make my 25 calendar cubbies. I found these foil garlands at Dollar Tree's party section. I leave about 3 or 4 inches of string on each disc to later attach to the cardboard cubby. These silver discs will be doors for my advent calendar compartments. On the outside, there will be numbers for the countdown to Christmas. As you turn over each day, there will be a new holiday design on the other side. I found this great paper at Joann's that's perfect for this purpose. I traced the shape of the disc and then cut out circles that fit. I then use a glue stick to attach the paper to the disc. To make my cubbies, I cut my cardboard TP rolls 1 1/4 inches wide to fit the depth of the triangle box. Each TP roll makes 3 cubbies. A paper towel roll makes 8. For paper to cover the cubbies in, I cut strips that are 1 1/4 inches wide and 6 inches long. Time to put together the calendar cubbies. I first fold the paper strip in half for better handling later. Then I apply some glue to the snowflake paper using a glue stick. Now I apply beacon Fabri-Tac to the area where the string from the disc will sit. Cover the TP roll with the snowflake paper. Pay special attention to the edges in the front. Then pull the string tight. The cubby is now covered and has a door. I have assembled all my cubbies. There are 6 cubbies or days in each triangle. I cut off any extra strings and prepare to glue down the cubbies onto my tree. I apply beacon fabric tack and hot glue to the rim of my cubby and press down onto my tree. Only 24 more to go. I decide to glue my 25th cubby on top of my tree and embellish it with a wood star sticker from Dollar Tree. I make a cut at the bottom to help it sit better at the peak. Then I cover the back with a circle. I cleaned off any glue on my doors with an alcohol pad. I am now ready to decorate my doors with number stickers from Target and holiday stickers from Hobby Lobby. Well, there you have it. A super cute 2020 reusable advent calendar made with awesome Dollar Tree triangle boxes available now. Count down to the holidays in style with your family with this adorable DIY. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in making this craft for the holidays, pick up your triangles now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.